I just need you back. Apartment 4-6, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you to call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that I've made a big mistake, choosing material things over you. Call me young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see you now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Petalisbless. I'm coming on today to share with you those glam decors that I just showed you. Yeah, things for the washroom and things for your girly room or anywhere you'd like to place within your home. Yeah, so these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIYs, both of them. Everything will be listed down below of where I got everything from, so you can check it out, and the links and everything will be down there to the glam items that I will be using for these DIY. So if you'd like to see how we put these items together, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a muffin or a donut with that, and let's get started. Okay, so we have this mirror here from the Dollar Tree, and we'll be using these what are they, building blocks? Tower game blocks. That's what they are. So we are going to build onto the back of our mirror piece. I love these blocks, and Denise, Dazzling Design by Denise, introduced us to making things with these blocks. She's such a great DIYer, and I love her. I watch her channel. She supports me. I support her. And I'll leave a link down below to her channel if you guys go check her out. But yeah, now I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue, and we are going to glue our pieces together to help make our box for our Chanel perfume bottle. If this is your first time on my channel, I'd like to say welcome. Thanks for clicking on to see today's DIY, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell twice so you can be notified every time I upload another video. And to my oldies and goodies, welcome! Thank you for clicking on today's DIY to see what I have to share, and I hope you all will give me a thumbs up for today's video. I'd really appreciate it. So as you can see here, I glue the pieces together, make two, like it's like a L or something like that. Yeah. But we're not gluing them down to the mirror as yet. Now we are going to make our lid for our Chanel bottle. Yes. I think that looks good. Now we're going to glue them together. So now we're going to take our pieces and just use some white acrylic paint and paint them. Just the outer sides, not all of it, because all the sides are not going to show, so just the outer sides that are going to show. And now we are going to decorate our mirror with both these bling wrap here that I got from Beebeecraft, and I'll be using some E6000, and you could use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your stuff on your project. And now I'll be just adding the Chanel with these letters that I found at the Dollar Tree. So now it's time to put our bottle together. So we have the back mirror, and we have these ones here, the two, I call them L's. So we are just going to glue them down to our mirror. So I'm just using some E6000 and some hot glue to glue them to the back of our mirror. So now we are going to use some more E6000 and some more hot glue to glue the front mirror onto making our Chanel bottle. And now I'm just going to glue the lid down, and I did add some bling wrap to the lid to make it look more nicer. So we're just using the hot glue and the E6000 and glue them down. Okay, Glamsters, our bottle is dry enough. So now we are going to add our Mod Podge and our crushed glass. Yeah, because our Chanel bottle is a crushed glass Chanel bottle. Yes, so I'm adding the Mod Podge and then we add our crushed glass. Now I get my crushed glass from Michael's. Yes, a lot of people have been asking me if the crushed glass, if it's sharp. It's not sharp. I don't know about other places that sell it, but the one that Michael's sell is perfectly fine. And I don't have a problem with it. You see me use it all the time. And I don't know about buying it anywhere else, like I said, but if you buy it from Michael's, it will be okay. Now I'm going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, here we go. It's all dry. I like how it looks. So now I'm going to put another coat of Mod Podge to seal in the crushed glass. Now if you'd like your DIY to have more crushed glass, that's fine. Just add some Mod Podge and add a second layer of crushed glass and it will be fine. For me, this is fine. So I'm just sealing it in, and then we're adding our glitter all over also. Now put it aside to dry for a few hours. And here is how our Chanel bottle turned out. I think it looks lovely. I love it with the crushed glass. It looks absolutely beautiful. And all our gems, you know, using items from the Dollar Tree and Beebeecraft. Yeah, a lovely piece of decor for your home. You can place it anywhere on your girly table, your office, anywhere throughout your home, your dresser, and a little piece in your living room and as an accent piece. I think it looks absolutely lovely. And it's very nice. I like how it turned out. I always seen these bottles and I never really got around to making one. So I'm glad I decided to do one today with the crushed glass, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now on to our next set of DIYs. I got these washroom stuff from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. I'll be using the same bling gems again with some E6000 from Beebeecraft, and we will be decorating these bottles.
There's no way that I can do this all by myself.
And now we're using some more E6000 and put the thinner chain going all the way around also. And remember, you can use any adhesive that you'd like to do your DIY with.
Need you right now, 'cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibey. I'm so vibing with you.
And for our next bottle, which is hand soap or lotion, whichever you want to use the bottle for, we are going to do the bling strip going up and down.
I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just She's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I don't wanna see you walk.
And now that it's all done, I'll be using this bling up here just to place around the top part of our bottle. I think that looks super cute. And this one, I thought my camera was rolling, but it's not. But all I did was I just put the bling chain going right around. And now it's time to glam up our soap dish, which I'll be using this bling chain. And the soap dish, yes, comes from the Dollar Tree. And we'll be using this chain here. So again, me and my E6000. Use any adhesive that you would like to use. Then we're just going to go right round the soap dish. And now we are going to lay down our chain, going right round the soap dish. Now I will be placing some of the knobs on the bottom of our soap dish. Okay, these are our soap and lotion dispenser. Aren't they so cute? And this one too for the toothbrushes. We're going to use some crushed glass and some Mod Podge and decorate them up. Yeah. So we're just going to lay the Mod Podge down. And you know, if you like to use the clear glue, you're sure perfectly can do that, no problem. But I like using the Mod Podge. So we're just sprinkling it on, lay it down. And for this one, we are going to put the Mod Podge only in the middle, because that's where I want the crushed glass to go, in the middle of each side of our little container. And now we're going to add some crushed glass to our toothbrush holder. Just add the Mod Podge and add our crushed glass going all around. And then we will set everything aside for a few hours to dry. And now it's a few hours later, our pieces are dry. So I'm going to go back over with some Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And like I said, if you'd like another coat because you want more crushed glass on your decor, then you just add another layer of crushed glass. And I'm also going to add some glitter to our decor. Just lightly add glitter to each. And now we're going to add the Mod Podge to help seal in our next one. And we'll be adding glitter. Each of them I'll add Mod Podge and glitter. And now for our toothbrush holder too, same thing. Seal it in and add some glitter. And then I will set everything aside to dry for a few hours to make sure everything is nice and sealed. And here is our Glam crushed glass bathroom decor. I love how they turned out, OMG! And the crushed glass is just shiny. The crushed glass is standing out and saying hello. I love how they look, and with our Glam chains from Beebeecraft. Oh, absolutely beautiful. And I love the soap dish with the legs. OMG, that looks so nice. And the chain hanging down. I love how they turned out. And remember, like I told you guys, all the links for all these Glam items will be down in the description box. So you guys can click on the link and get some for yourself and do some lovely DIY decor with these items.
You said right now that I'm not what you're looking for, but it looks like you need me now, you need me now. Girl, why is it so hard to tell me the truth? You didn't want me, no. Girl,
And here is everything together. Our Glam crushed glass Chanel bottle, and also our Glam crushed glass washroom decor. I love how everything turned out. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's Glam crushed glass DIYs. Yeah, our Chanel bottle. I think it looks beautiful. I absolutely love it. And you know, you can use any color crushed glass that you want to make this bottle, because the crushed glass comes in a variety of colors like I've been showing you. Or even our Glam crushed glass washroom decor, and this is the same thing. You can use any color crushed glass you want. Doesn't have to be the clear one, could be any one of the crushed glass colors to match your decor. So leave me a comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. And like I said before, if you're new here, welcome. And I hope you do hit that subscribe button on your way out. And don't forget to press the bell twice so you'll become part of our Glamster team. Yeah. And to my oldies and goodies, oh, you know I love you. Mwah, mwah. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's crushed glass DIYs. Yeah. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone. I need, oh, I need,